You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names too many people mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here. Now, it's not Rachael or Rachael or Rachael. No, the A right there in the middle is confusing, but essentially ignore it. It's just a different spelling. Rachael is how you say it. Rachael, yeah, it's easy. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support, it helps me immensely. Appreciate it. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.